Hello friends, and welcome back to another video. So this week was the very first official day of fall, so of course I'm coming at you with my very first fall recipe of 2021. So stay tuned because in today's video I'm going to show you how I make this delicious pumpkin pie crisp. Let's get started. You are not going to believe how easy this recipe is to make. So in a bowl we're going to add in 1 can of pumpkin puree. Then we are going to add in 1 cup of granulated sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, of course the spice of the season, 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and lastly 3 eggs. While we are adding in the eggs, just a quick intro. If you are new to my channel, hi and welcome. My name's Nicole and I'm just a gal that loves food. I love baking, I love cooking, and I love sharing my recipes with you guys. I post new recipe videos every Saturday, so if you're into that stuff, definitely subscribe to my channel. Alright, jumping back into the recipe, now that you've added in your eggs, it is time to mix. I'm using my spatula at this point, but feel free to use a hand mixer as well. So just make sure to mix thoroughly so that all the sugar is dissolved, and also you no longer see any raw egg in the bowl. Once your pumpkin pie mixture is nice and smooth, it is now time to add in 2/3 cup of heavy cream. So once you add that in, just make sure to mix that in as well. Just a quick fun fact about me, fall is actually one of my favorite seasons. I love everything fall, I love fall baking, I love Halloween, so definitely stay tuned to see more fall and Halloween recipes coming up. Also, if you have any recipe recommendations or if there's a specific recipe you'd like me to make / try, definitely comment them down below in the comment section and I will try my best to get that done for you. Alright guys, our pumpkin pie filling is done, so we're going to set that aside and it's time to work on our crisp. So first we're going to start off with 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, along with 1 1/2 cups of granulated sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Then we are going to give these ingredients a good mix until they're thoroughly combined. And lastly, to our mixture, we're going to add in 3/4 cups of melted butter. I am using unsalted in this recipe. So once you've added that in, I'm just going in with my hand mixer. You can also use a fork, and just make sure to thoroughly combine this until a crisp starts to form. Once your crisp looks something like this, you are done, and now it is time to assemble our pumpkin pie crisp, then we're gonna bake. So in a 12-inch cast iron skillet, or you can use any baking dish of your choice, I'm just gonna add in 3 tablespoons of butter just to make sure I butter the skillet evenly and so that our crisp doesn't stick to the skillet. Next, we are going to take our pumpkin pie filling and pour it directly into our skillet. Next, we are going to take that crisp we worked on earlier and we're going to evenly distribute it on top of the pumpkin pie filling. And now it is finally time to bake this bad boy. So we are going to stick this in the oven at 375 Fahrenheit and we're going to bake for 50 minutes until the crust is all golden brown. Out of the oven, we're going to let it cool for about 15 minutes. And the fun part, we're going to top it off with our favorite ice cream. I highly recommend vanilla or even a cinnamon ice cream. It is just so delicious. Alright guys, and that is how you make a pumpkin pie crisp. Wasn't that so easy? And honestly guys, your kitchen is going to smell amazing if you bake this. It is so buttery and yummy and rich on the inside, but so crumbly and crispy on the outside, and it just tastes like fall. The pumpkin pie spice is just chef's kisses. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Also, make sure you hit that notification bell so you never miss any of my upcoming videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!